Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I'm bringing you a Halloween. Is it too early for Halloween? I don't think so. Haul from Poundland. The bag I bought today, because it has unicorns on it, it's not very Halloween-y, but I needed a bag, and this one was the cutest one that they have. But we're going to get right into our little Halloween haul. So guys, Poundland didn't have a ton of stuff, which is fine for Halloween, but I picked up some things. I genuinely tend to be more of a Christmas fanatic than Halloween, but this year I've decided to do even to decorate my big front window. So the first things that I got to do that are these bat curtains. So these are 198 by 99 centimeters, and they just are the string of bat. I will actually open it and show you guys these little, I don't care about ripping it because these are just for me. So these are, so you get a string of bats, just like this, with the strip at the top that you can attach. And I thought that would be quite fun for my window, although I'm going to make it a bit of a mess. So I bought two of them because I'm going to need two. You can see them here. They're just little plastic bats, which I thought would be a lot of fun. So I got two of them because I think I'm probably going to need, I'm trying not to bend them or make them a mess, but I'm probably going to need two of them to fit my windows. So for £1 each, I thought they were pretty neat. What else did I get decoration wise? Ooh, I got these, which I thought were really, really nice. I got these colorful skeletons. They say colorful, but they're not really colorful. This one is black and gray, but it is cute. It is a movable skeleton, and I'm going to hang this up from one part of the window, and that was only £1, which I thought was pretty good value. And then we got this little guy. This little guy is my favorite because I love the purple and the silver together. I thought that was super cute. I love the way the head moves. I love the way the whole body moves. Arms don't move, but the legs fairly swing. So I thought they were good for £2. And just, I think this is all the decorations that I bought. Oh no, I didn't. Ha ha ha. I purchased a set of 4 spider web tea lights. Let's open these and check out if they work. Again, guys, these were only £1. I thought these would be nice just sitting across the window in different spots. But let's check and see if they work. If not, I guess I will have to go and put batteries in them. Oh, they don't work. That is such a bummer. So they don't work. Let's turn it off. Let's see, do any of them work? They feel really light to have a battery in them. Oh, we've got one of the lights. So nice little creepy, spooky light, flickering light for the window. But I'm going to check all of them just while we're here to see if they work. And then, I mean, I don't mind. I do have spare batteries, so I don't mind putting a little battery in that. And they're only for Halloween. So that's another one that's awesome and it works. And then, do you work? Okay, we need 2 batteries. That's perfectly fine. I don't mind putting batteries in those. So we got our little spooky web lights. Then I bought these because, oh, these are upside down. I thought these were super duper cute. These are skull string lights. There's a set of 8. They are battery powered and they are cool white. They're 1.5 meters, and I thought they would be nice to sit just in front at the window of the bat curtain. So let's have a look and see what these are like. Open up, open up. Oh, these are different than I thought. I thought they were going to be like full. I guess I don't know why I thought that, but I thought they were going to be like a full skull. How would that have fitted into that box? Who knows? But I like these better because they're flat, and when I put them against the window, they will sit. I'm going to see if I have some batteries so that we can check that out, and I'll be right back. So guys, so in order to make these work, you have to put 2 AA batteries in, and then you have to unscrew this little screw. See right here? So annoying, so hated that. So I just decided to go ahead and try both sets, or to put batteries in both sets. So let's try. Hey, they both work. Well, we'll turn one off And I'll show you guys. How cute are they? They are like a really spooky glow. And they will be super lovely against the backdrop of the curtain. So, making a little bit more of an effort this year for Halloween, outside of just giving out candy. I love the fact that the kids make such an effort. I never make an effort to decorate my front of my house. I'm going to make a little bit of effort this year and give out candy. So hopefully I don't come across as Halloween unhappy. So guys, the last things that I bought are all treats. Well, apart from this little bowl. I thought this little bowl was super cute. I probably have one of these lying around, but it doesn't look like this, and I really liked it. Quite a sturdy bowl, little scurry pumpkin, and it again was £1. And I'm loving being able to go to Poundland and actually get things for £1, so that was awesome. So guys, just as an FYI, all of the candy was £1 a bag. So I'm going to show you guys as I'm putting it out. We have our 30 bags of popping candy, all fruit flavoured. And it looks like, oh, we have a tour strip right here. All Halloween themed. We've got strawberry, we've got apple, and we have orange. And I purchased 3 bags of those. And you're getting 30 individually wrapped popping candies. And let's be honest, who does not love popping candy? I know that I do. That almost fills up my bowl, but that's okay. And then we got some other fun stuff. So I got some Brain Blaster lollipops. You get 18 inside. They're mini sour lollipops, and they're number 2 on the sour scale. And we'll try to get these open. Oh, pop that. So we have a ton of lollies, and they look like these. Ooh, let's get a different flavor. Orange. I'm picking up a lot of orange. So we have these, and they're all blue, but that's a good little mix. The next item that I purchased are these mini sour chew bars. Again, they're a number 2 on the sour list. You get 18. There's apple, watermelon, and blueberry flavor. I'm just going to use my knife and slit it open because I forgot I had it, and it was here. So we're going to dump those in our candy bowl, and this is what these look like. Oh, these are stuck together. We have blue, we have red, and we have green. This is what these look like. Ooh. I purchased some chocolate goulet chocolate eyeballs. They are filled milk chocolate balls. Ooh, and they must be open somewhere. We'll just tear it open and throw those right in, and this is what they look like. I did misplace one that fell, but I guess I'll find that later. And I bought some chocolate pumpkins. So they are the filled chocolate balls, but they look like pumpkins. And we're going to throw those in. We don't traditionally get lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of this is what these look like. Trick-or-treaters. We probably get enough that this whole container will go. We don't have a ton of kids in our neighborhood, so I usually just buy enough to go around. And also my nieces and nephews come and take half of it anyway. So then I bought 2 packs. They were exactly the same of gummy body parts in strawberry flavor because, let's be honest, who doesn't love a body part? Especially if it's yummy strawberry gummies. And I will just grab one of each so that you can see what we have. Did I get an eyeball? I did. It's another eyeball. Finger, teeth, finger. Ooh, what's this one? Brain. Okay, so you get a mixture of, ooh, we have this one too. I did not notice this one. We have a thumb. We have a brain. We have a finger chopped off. Some teeth. We have an eyeball. Look at that eyeball. Ooh. Anyway, so guys, that's everything that I purchased for my Happy Halloween haul of 2023. I'm looking forward to the trick-or-treaters coming, and I am going to put this candy box away so that I don't eat it all, because most of these things, apart from all of the sour candy, I really, really like. I love gummies, I love chocolate. What's not to love? So I'm going to put it away so I don't eat it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like. Please feel free to share with family and friends. It really does help my channel against YouTube's algorithm. So every time you view, like, and share, that's amazing. I can't thank you all enough in advance. But I hope you have the most amazing day. Please take care. Please stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, subscribe, and hit notifications to be notified of any future videos. Well, everybody, take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.